The evolving landscape of tech businesses in 2024. The technology sector continues to be the epicenter of innovation and economic growth. In recent years, we've witnessed a transformative shift in how technology intertwines with our daily lives, businesses, and the broader societal framework. This evolution is not just a fleeting trend. It's a glimpse into a future where technology defines new boundaries and possibilities. Looking ahead, tech businesses are poised to venture into uncharted territories. The integration of artificial intelligence in various sectors is no longer a novelty but a necessity, driving efficiencies and opening new avenues for personalized services. The normalization of remote work, a paradigm shift accelerated by global circumstances, has redefined workplace dynamics, necessitating innovative technological solutions for seamless collaboration and communication. These changes are just the tip of the iceberg. The future trajectory of tech businesses is also significantly influenced by the burgeoning importance of cybersecurity. In an increasingly interconnected world, the safeguarding of digital assets and personal data has become paramount, catapulting cybersecurity solutions to the forefront of business priorities. Simultaneously, there's a rising wave of sustainable technology, echoing the global call for environmental stewardship. This shift towards eco-friendly tech products represents not just a market trend, but a crucial step towards a sustainable future. The upcoming era is more than just technological advancement. It's about harnessing technology to reshape our world, making it more efficient, secure, and sustainable. The horizon for tech businesses is vast and full of potential, waiting to be explored by innovative minds and visionary enterprises. 1. Artificial Intelligence as a Service, AIaaS. In the realm of technological innovation, Artificial Intelligence as a Service, AIaaS, emerges as a pivotal and transformative business model in 2024. AIaaS represents the democratization of artificial intelligence, offering AI technologies as a cloud-based service. This approach enables businesses, regardless of their size or sector, to integrate AI into their operations, without the substantial investment typically required for in-house AI development. The core appeal of AIaaS lies in its flexibility and accessibility. Small and medium-sized enterprises, which previously viewed AI as a distant, unattainable technology, can now leverage it to enhance their services, analyze data more effectively, and automate repetitive tasks. This not only improves efficiency and productivity, but also opens new pathways for innovation and customer engagement. Key offerings under AIaaS include machine learning algorithms, natural language processing tools, and data analytics services. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, reducing the barrier to entry for businesses with limited technical expertise. Furthermore, AIaaS providers continuously update and refine their services, ensuring that clients have access to the latest advancements in AI technology. The market potential of AIaaS is vast, spanning various industries such as healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. In healthcare, AIaaS can power predictive analytics for patient care. In finance, it can enhance risk assessment and fraud detection. In retail, it can personalize customer experiences. And in manufacturing, it can optimize supply chain management. As we progress through 2024, AIaaS stands not just as a technological service, but as a catalyst for business transformation, enabling companies to harness the power of AI in a cost-effective, scalable, and efficient manner. Its role in leveling the playing field, by making advanced AI accessible to all businesses, marks a significant milestone in the technological landscape. 2. Remote work tech solutions. The year 2024 continues to witness the burgeoning prominence of remote work, a trend that has revolutionized the traditional workspace. In response, remote work tech solutions have become essential, offering tools and platforms that facilitate effective communication, collaboration, and productivity for distributed teams. These tech solutions address various challenges associated with remote working, such as maintaining team cohesion, ensuring efficient project management, and fostering a sense of workplace community in a virtual environment. Advanced video conferencing tools, project management software, and virtual collaboration platforms are at the forefront of this sector. They are designed not only to mimic the in-person office experience, but also to enhance it with features like real-time document collaboration, integrated task tracking, and AI-driven analytics to monitor and boost productivity. The significance of remote work tech solutions extends beyond mere convenience. They are pivotal in ensuring business continuity. In a world where flexibility and adaptability are key to survival and success, the demand for these solutions cuts across various industries, making them a lucrative and ever-evolving market. Remote work tech solutions continue to evolve, integrating more AI and machine learning capabilities to offer smarter, more intuitive user experiences. They are not just tools, they represent a new paradigm in how we work, collaborate, and succeed in the increasingly digital world. 3. Sustainable tech products. In 2024, the spotlight on environmental sustainability shines brighter than ever, particularly in the technology sector. Sustainable tech products, once niche, have now become a mainstream demand, reflecting a collective commitment to eco-friendly practices. This shift is not just about reducing the carbon footprint. It's about integrating sustainability into the fabric of technological innovation. The range of sustainable tech products is diverse, spanning from solar-powered devices and energy-efficient appliances to biodegradable electronics and eco-friendly packaging for tech products. These innovations are designed to minimize environmental impact, promoting the use of renewable energy sources and recyclable materials. The appeal of these products extends beyond their environmental benefits. They often offer enhanced efficiency, durability, and cost-effectiveness over their traditional counterparts. What makes sustainable tech products particularly compelling is the increasing consumer awareness and demand for environmentally responsible products. This shift in consumer preferences is driving tech companies to rethink their product designs, supply chains, and overall business models to align with sustainable practices. Moreover, governments and regulatory bodies are also playing a crucial role by implementing policies and incentives that encourage the development and adoption of sustainable technologies. As a result, sustainable tech products are not just a market trend. They represent a significant step towards a greener, more sustainable future in the tech industry. 4. Health tech innovations. Health tech innovations have taken center stage in the technology sector, driven by an increasing focus on personalized healthcare and the efficiency of medical services. These innovations are transforming the landscape of healthcare, making it more accessible, accurate, and patient-centric. A key area of growth is in telemedicine, which has become more sophisticated and widely accepted. It allows patients to consult with healthcare professionals remotely, reducing the need for physical visits and making healthcare more accessible to those in remote or underserved areas. Additionally, wearable health tech, such as smartwatches and fitness trackers, are now equipped with advanced sensors to monitor vital signs, track fitness metrics, and even detect potential health issues early. Another significant aspect of health tech innovations is the application of artificial intelligence, AI, in diagnostics and treatment plans. AI algorithms can analyze medical data rapidly, aiding in quicker and more accurate diagnosis, and in some cases, predicting potential health risks based on patient data. This use of AI is also extending into pharmaceuticals, where it aids in drug discovery and personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to individual genetic profiles. The impact of these innovations is profound. They not only enhance the quality and accessibility of healthcare, but also pave the way for a future where technology and health are seamlessly integrated, leading to improved health outcomes and a more efficient healthcare system. 5. Cybersecurity solutions. The critical importance of cybersecurity solutions in safeguarding digital assets and information has never been more pronounced. With an increasingly digital world, the proliferation of cyber threats has necessitated advanced and robust cybersecurity measures across all sectors. Cybersecurity solutions now encompass a broader range of technologies and strategies, designed to protect networks, devices, programs, and data from unauthorized access or attacks. These solutions include advanced firewalls, intrusion detection systems, encryption technologies, and antivirus software. A notable trend is the adoption of AI and machine learning in cybersecurity, enhancing the ability to predict, identify, and respond to threats more efficiently. The scope of these solutions extends beyond traditional IT environments. to emerging technologies like IoT, Internet of Things, where the security of connected devices is crucial. Additionally, the rise of remote work has brought about a new set of challenges, prompting the development of security solutions tailored to protect remote work environments. Businesses, governments, and individuals alike recognize the indispensability of robust cybersecurity measures. This widespread recognition has spurred growth in the cybersecurity sector, making it a critical and lucrative aspect of the tech industry. As cyber threats evolve and become more sophisticated, the role of cybersecurity solutions in ensuring the safety and integrity of our digital world becomes increasingly vital. The top 5 tech business ideas: artificial intelligence as a service, AIaaS, remote work tech solutions, sustainable tech products, health tech innovations, and cybersecurity solutions, highlight the diversity and potential of this ever-evolving sector. AIaaS has democratized access to cutting-edge AI technology, enabling businesses of all sizes to leverage its power for growth and innovation. Remote work tech solutions have become the backbone of the modern workplace, ensuring productivity and collaboration regardless of physical location. Sustainable tech products reflect a growing consciousness towards environmental responsibility, intertwining eco-friendliness with technological advancement. Health tech innovations are revolutionizing the healthcare industry, making it more personalized, efficient, and accessible. Lastly, cybersecurity solutions remain paramount in protecting the integrity and security of our increasingly digital world. These top tech business ideas for 2024 are not just standalone trends. They are interconnected facets of a broader digital transformation. They underscore the importance of adaptability, innovation, and foresight in navigating the tech landscape. As we look to the future, these areas offer exciting opportunities for entrepreneurs, investors, and consumers alike, heralding a new era of technological progress and societal impact. The tech industry, in its relentless pursuit of advancement, continues to redefine possibilities, setting the stage for a more connected, efficient, and sustainable future. Enjoyed the insights? Like, subscribe, and stay updated with our latest tech trends and analyses.